this side with these go straight down?
So
The rivets.
the
will-
fours will
rivets.
go right here.
The rivet, the seam in the tube has to go right there at that
Right there.
ridge.
So this side is going to be right here. Like
Okay,
this
can you
is gonna
guys
go right
spin the tube and let Chaz see
I'm sorry.
that piece of
here.
tape?
Very much so.
Oh, okay.
That
Got
piece
it.
of tape is
Got
is above the last rivet that shows.
So this is the thicker side, and this is going to go.
So that last rivet needs to be very close to the edge of the saddle but visible.
This edge?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
All right, you guys ready?
Where's it gonna be?
Garrett?
This is the last rivet, the one that's right next to the tape, up below the
It's
tape?
just below the tape. That rivet has to
Got
show.
cables down there.
Careful, watch out, Chris, you're close to the
I'm
edge.
good. I'm good.
You
Okay.
try them out of the way there. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know where the. Who's on
Okay,
the
keep
side?
pulling
I
forward,
can't see.
come forward, come forward. You're gonna go a long ways forward. Okay, I see the tape. Okay, a little bit more, about 2 inches. About 2 inches. There, okay, drop it in. Okay. Uh-oh.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, you need to rotate the tube, the south side down. There,
Yeah,
please.
Good.
Okay, Gary, move your hand. Okay, the rivet's shown. Perfect. Perfect.
Everyone, stay where you are.
Acoustics up here are weird.
Yes. Now I remember doing this in Joel's.
Is there a proper side to put it on?
Don't force it down.
The top one that way?
Yeah, was it? Whoa.
Oh, you mean
Sure,
they get
Gary.
that reversed? That I can't tell you.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me start down here.
Make sure you don't have to, okay, I was gonna say, try that.
Okay.
Not mass produced, huh?
Yes. Okay.
Or at least probably.
I
They haven't got it on
I
yet.
got my question answered.
Uh-oh.
Oh, my finger. Sorry.
Yeah, don't tighten it down, Chris.
I know.
Yeah, you want the same sort of gap. on
Yeah,
both
you
sides.
wanna even the gap out on each side.
I wanted to try Fred one of these.
Can I wait to get ready?
He's got a couple in.
Oh, yeah. But I don't know.
And that gap is.
Chris, you're gonna need to
I'm gonna
loosen
back
your.
off, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit, probably.
Back up.
Back off.
Back off first.
Feet are okay. Mike, you can probably relax.
As relaxed as I'm gonna be for right now.
I have about 5 more screws.
Is that a good orientation for the focus?
Is my ear going on?
No. Yeah.
A lot bigger
I'm about-
gap.
okay.
on
The whole,
that
that
side.
whole
Oh, that-
upper
that's
end
why-
section.
Okay, all right. I was thinking, where's it
Yeah,
going?
yeah.
Yeah, just that upper end from that green
Yeah,
out.
yeah,
Yeah, you're the one.
Yeah,
that get out.
yeah, it's fine.
yeah.
Well, I'm gonna make it even. Play this a lot. Got a little-
So- Yeah, Gary's gap's a little smaller than Chris's, but I think that's,
That's
well, Chris
all right.
just tightened it up, so it's a lot smaller than Chris's.
It's like commentary to a baseball game.
Hey, hey, I can see,
Everyone just stopped here.
I can see things you can't. Hey guys, I don't know if you've seen this yet, but we have a telescope on the mount.
All right.
Where? This is a telescope?
Is that what we're making here?
I thought we were putting a big light shining in the sky. Let us know where we're at.
This
This is important, guys.
This is huge, guys.
This is a big deal.
This is historic.
It's the house signal.
This is the
Big
cultivation
HAL.
of the sky.
16 years,
Yeah.
15 years.
15
of work.
years, yeah.
Says the guy standing on firm ground, not standing over an open.
Yeah, safety guy's not looking at that.
Alright.
How much longer
You
has it
got a
been,
lot
I
more.
wonder, since it got torn down?
Loosen my side up a little bit.
Has it been 20 years, maybe?
Probably at least. Right,
Oh,
there was
that's
a
the
friend
first
of the
time.
Baltimore astronomical
They had it a
Society
few
for a long
years, right?
time,
I think it's-
Yeah.
before they gave it, formed us.
All right, now tighten yours, that's better right there.